More Google Home goodies. Hello again, I'm Nathan, you're watching Wasn't My Fault. Welcome back. As I said, I've got more Google Home stuff. Now, if you remember this by KIWI Design, it's the Google Home battery case, so it means you got battery, so you can carry it around, put it in any room you want to, that sort of thing, which is fantastic. Now, after I had that one, the people, KIWI Design, saw my video and decided to send me this, which is another product. So, a silicon magnetic wall mount for Google Home Mini. So this looks really cool. So let's have a look. I'll put links in the description for anything like this on Amazon. So we have inside, we have an instruction book, empty box, and the device itself. So we have, oh, more magnets. Cool. I always like having magnets. So magnet and this thing. So we've got a case and another part, and so you can see how it works. Okay, let's have a look. Can I get my Google Home out of here? I know what I need is a power supply. So, oh, get this out of here. Wow, that's in there really tight. Alright, there we go. So I've taken the Google Home out of the battery pack. Bear with me one moment and I'll go and get the actual power supply for it, because I'll need that to demonstrate this. Won't be a sec. Okay, so I'm back. How well organised am I that I didn't get the power supply? So, normal Google Home power supply with a really long cable. So, what do we have to do? So we have this. This is where the actual adapter goes. Now this is really designed for American and European plugs, which are a lot smaller than the British ones, so we may have a few issues. So what we have to do, put that like that. We have to put that through there and through there, and so that way around, other way around, other way around. I'm an idiot. Right. Which way is this supposed to go? So let's put this in first and figure out what we have to do. Right, that goes first, right, so feed that all the way through there, because we have to fit this in there, believe it or not. So this might be a bit of a tight fit, because as I said, it's made more for European plugs and American plugs, so yeah, that is right, isn't it? Yeah, this is going to take a little bit of doing, because our plugs are a little bit bigger. So it is made of rubber, so hopefully it'll fit. They did say it may not, but they wanted me to test it anyway. So, oh, alright, so let's see, it is just about fitting. I said it is a tight squeeze, so Americans and Europeans have a little bit easier than us Brits. So what you can do then is put that around there. I'm not sure how much I need to do, so I'm going to leave that 1 second. Get this bit. So this bit, fairly straightforward. Line up the holes, so you've got the speaker on off button and the power up. So fit that in there. So you go. So that fits quite nicely like that. So back to this. How do we tidy up the cable? Good cable management is good when you can. When you can't, it's a little bit unfortunate, but when you can, you must do. Right, can I go one more time around there and then put that in? Not sure. Will that be enough? Will that be enough? We shall find out. So we then so we have that all nice and neat, and that just fits on like that. I can see we're going to have an issue because that, as you see, is indented from our cable management job done bad. Okay, let's have a look what we can do then to make that a bit better. Let's try that more around there. Alright, so this isn't going to look as neat and tidy, but I think we're going to struggle otherwise. Like that. Obviously I would spend more time and do it a little bit neater. Aha, there we go. So, said it is a bit of a tight squeeze compared with what it's designed for, but as you can see, you plug that into the wall like that, and your Google Home stays on magnetically. So that's kind of cool. You could, of course, just put the Google Home somewhere else, on a fridge or something else, or you can use the magnets. If I can get them out of the bag, there are magnets with some adhesive backing, so you can put them other places as well. So you see that? That'd be quite good. That is a fairly strong magnet that does hold the Google Home. Pretty good. I'm quite impressed. That's quite cool. As I said, it's not really designed for the UK plugs, and if I spend a bit more time, I could tidy up the cable a little bit better than that. But overall, I'm quite impressed. It's a nice colour. It matches my Google Home quite nicely because I've got the dark grey one, and that could just fit on the wall anywhere. Pretty good. Be ideal for like a kitchen or something that we tend to have high plugs. Because in the UK, we tend to have them low down by the skirting board. So somewhere like a kitchen with worktops and so on, that would actually work quite well. Fantastic. Well, thank you very much, KIWI Design, for sending me that. I do quite like that. Because, you know, I like my Google Home. I do need to try a Google Home hub at some point. So, hint, hint, anybody want to send me one? Fantastic. I'll give it a go. But, yeah, that is really cool. I'm really impressed. That works better than I thought, because I did say it may not work, but it does. So, fantastic. Thanks a lot again. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please, you know, feel free to try all these sort of products and tell me what you think, because I really do like them. I use my Google Home every day for lots of different things. I said I've got this one and I've got the normal Google Home, and it's absolutely fantastic. And I've gone out of focus. Ah, well, never mind, eh? So, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and like and let other people know about my channel. That would be fantastic. I would really appreciate it. And see you again soon. Bye for now.